we have USDJPY. It's at 105.94 right now. Just a couple hours ago it tested this resistance at 106.05. Couldn't break. So now it's going to most likely test the next support at 105.75. It's an okay support right now. You see right here, it broke down and tested 105.5550, but it still went back up. And but if it goes here, it might be looking towards going down even further at 105.5 again, and this would probably be the next best support. We see here that it bounced from the support, tested it again, broke, but bounced back up, tested and supported. So I'd say around here is where the next support is. Doesn't look like it'll go below this one, even if it did for a bit, but it came back up pretty nicely. And we see at the RSI it's at 50 evenly, and here we have, it looks like it could go up or down. It's really in the middle. If we look back on the RSI, we see that this is probably a resistance level. See it all the way till here. It hit, went down, tried to break, went down again, reached close. It broke for a bit, but couldn't stay over the 50. Went under again, broke again, stayed under, and it looks like it's probably going to stay under. I'd say maybe, unless there's a stimulus package coming soon, it would probably send the dollar up higher. But if there is no stimulus, then I think it'll go lower, and probably even go all the way down and test this support at around 105. It might test that support, and then maybe from there it'll probably bounce back up. But for now, this is a 4 hour. It looks like it's just going to test these supports for now and probably stay within this trading range. Unless some news of a stimulus package comes again or something. I think it'll probably stay within this range for now, and we'll probably see bounce up and down between here. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for this video. Please like and comment and let me know what you guys think, where you think the JPY is headed.